Welcome to the Marcy's House YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to use the platform to build a website for your rug store. Now if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the multi-site service yet, multi-sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, rug store, and there it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our rug store so it can generate a simple website for our business. Let's go ahead and put in our company name as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where you are located in the world, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with our rug store? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address and let's click continue and move along. Where is our rug store located? I'm going to pop in my street address over here as well as my postal code. I'm now going to click on continue. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday, except for a Sunday. Nope, we're closed on a Sunday for rest and relaxation. Okay, let's do a quick review. Make sure everything's in order. Everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update hours or update location to make amendments. And look at that. Marty Site has literally generated a simple website for my rug store in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, as you can see, and we've pre-selected all the images, and as you can see, they're all really high quality. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone or anything like that. However, if you've got your own images and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer either. It's really easy. So I'm going to work my way from the top to the bottom, go through each section with you so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how this service works. Let's get cracking. So I'm going to head to the top, and the first thing I want to do is click on update section. I'm going to go ahead and click on show email and sites and tick that off. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my Marty Sites website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. My physical location, we've already put in the details and it's displayed in the top left hand corner. The great thing about that is when my customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to my rug store. Let's go ahead and click on save and head to update social links. Now over here you can put in the various different social media platforms your rug store is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you're in the startup process of your rug store, you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marcy Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. However, if you do have a logo, all you need to do is go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Awesome. If you don't have a logo yet and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There's some free great options on there. So look at that. My logo has been uploaded. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger, save it, and let's move along. Now with Marcy Sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors for you. For this one, it is like a dark red, I guess you could say. It does look really great. However, if you're branding your logo, your signage throughout your rug store, perhaps it's a completely different color. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. We are adding more every single week, so let's just see which one is suitable for our rug store. I really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. And as you can see, it's now been used throughout my website. Let's move along. We're making such great progress. Let's head to update section and head to update image. Now, if you have your own images of the different rugs you have in store, you can go ahead and browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds to choose from, and they are all royalty free. No licenses needed to use them. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one, save it, and see how it looks. That actually looks really stunning, so I'm going to leave that as is. And now I'm going to head over to update content. Now over here you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs, as well as change the button. At the moment it says get directions, but maybe you want it to say get in touch, for example. So let's go ahead and put that in, whoops, and go to choose link. Over here, we can link to another website, an action like click to call, directions, click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and put this as click to call. Another great option is a PDF file. So if you have a PDF file of all your different rugs you have in stock, maybe your current promotions, a catalog, go ahead and upload the PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Over here, we have another great section. Pre-written content button can link to various places. All you need to do is click on update section to make those easy changes. We've now made our way into the data section. So over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your rug store came to be, how you got into the industry. Maybe it's passed down from generation to generation, your family store. Do you offer financial options for people if they're buying expensive Persian rugs, perhaps? Do you offer a variety of sizes of rugs? Is there different budgets and tastes available for catering to all your different customers? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Let's move along. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. This one's absolutely perfect for my rug store, so I'm leaving it as is. If you want to change it, search through that photo library. Otherwise, upload one of your own. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little more details about the different services your rug store offers. So perhaps you offer antique, Persian, modern, and vintage rugs. Go ahead and put them here. Cotton rugs, modern rugs, antique rugs, wool rugs. Go ahead and put all the details here so your customers know which rugs they can come to your business for. If you need to make any changes to your physical location or your hours, go ahead and click on update section. So look at that. We've literally gone through our Mighty Sites website for our rug store in literally less than 10 minutes. We've made changes, we've changed colors, we've made amendments to the photos, buttons, everything along those lines. It's now suitable for my rug store. And I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to be a web developer, and I didn't need to hire anyone to help me for this either. It was such a breeze. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed, like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial. You've got nothing to lose. See how well this service works. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it. There is a blog post over on our website, www.blog.mightysites.com, and you can check out a step-by-step guide tutorial on how to link your custom domain. We've also got some great tips and advice for marketing your small business, lots of blog posts to go through, so check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet, I'm really excited to let you know we've just introduced the feature where you can actually purchase your custom domain through the Mighty Sites platform. Super exciting. If you have any queries, any suggestions on features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.